Good morning, students. Very important chapters for Steno grade C. 1000 words, 85 word per minutes. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Madam Speaker, I now come to tax proposals. Full stop. Taxation is an important factor of social and economic engineering. Full stop. Tax collections help the government to provide education, health care, housing and other basic facilities to the people to improve their quality of life. Full stop. It also addresses the problem of poverty, unemployment and development. Full stop. To achieve these objectives, it has been our endeavor in the last 9 months to provide a stable taxation policy and a good tax administration. Full stop. A very important aspect of our tax administration is the fight against the black money. A number of measures have already been taken in this direction. Full stop. I propose to do much more. Full stop. Madam, you will agree we need to revive growth and investment to ensure that more jobs are created for our youth and the benefits of development reach millions of our poor citizens. Full stop. We need an enabling tax policy for this. Full stop. I have already introduced the bill to amend the Constitution of India for goods and services tax in the last session of this August House. Full stop. It is expected to play an important role to transform our economy. Full stop. It will add a force to our economy by developing a common Indian market and reducing the effect on the cost of goods and services. Full stop. We are moving in various fronts to implement GST from the next year. Full stop. The basic rate of corporate tax in India is higher than the rates in the other Asian economies, making our domestic industry uncompetitive. Full stop. Moreover, the effective collection of corporate tax is about 23%. Full stop. We lose out on both counts. That is, we are having a high corporate tax, but we don't get that tax due to excessive exemptions. Full stop. This has led to litigation and loss of revenue. Full stop. I therefore propose to reduce the 300 rate of corporate tax from the present 30 to 25% over the next 4 years. Full stop. This will lead to a higher level of investment, higher growth rate and more jobs. Full stop. This process of reduction has to be accompanied by removal of the various kinds of tax exemptions and incentives for corporate taxpayers, which account for a large number of tax disputes. Madam, I wanted to start the reduction of corporate tax rate and elimination of tax exemptions right now. Full stop. Then I thought it would be appropriate to give advance notice that these changes will start from the next financial year. Full stop. Our policy is to avoid sudden surprises and instability in tax policy. Full stop. Exemption to individual taxpayers will however continue since they facilitate savings which get transferred to investment and economic growth. Full stop. Madam Speaker, while finalizing my proposals, I have adopted certain broad themes which include measures to curb black money, creation of jobs in growth and investment sectors, and promotion of domestic manufacturing industry and make in India. Full stop. Our aim is to provide minimum government and maximum governance to improve the ease of doing business. Full stop. Our efforts are to provide benefits to middle class taxpayers and improving the quality of life and public health through Swachh Bharat initiatives. Full stop. The first and foremost pillar of my tax proposals is to effectively deal with the problem of black money which eats away our economy and society. Full stop. The problems of poverty and inequality cannot be eliminated unless black money is dealt with effectively and forcefully. Full stop. In the last few months, several measures have been initiated in this direction. Full stop. A major breakthrough was achieved when the government authorities agreed to provide information in respect of cases investigated by the income tax departments. Full stop. They also agreed to provide such information in a time bound manner and agreed to exchange information between the two countries at the earliest. Full stop. I would like to inform the House that investigation into cases of foreign assets has been given the highest priority, resulting in deduction of large amount of unreported income. As regards domestic black money, a new and more comprehensive bill will be introduced in the current sessions of the Parliament. Full stop. It will enable confiscation of benami property and provide for prosecution. Full stop. This bill will discourage holding black money in the form of benami property, especially in real estates. Full stop. A few other measures are also proposed in the budget for curbing black money within the country. Full stop. Madam Speaker, with your permission, I would like to highlight the key feature of the proposed new law on black money. Full stop. Firstly, concealment of income and assets and tax evasion of foreign assets will be prosecutable and a penalty at the rate of 300% shall be levied, full stop. Non-filing of return of foreign assets will also be liable for prosecution with punishment, full stop, if any foreign exchange or any property situated outside India is held against the act, then action may be taken, full stop. Madam Speaker, the second feature of my taxation proposals is job creation, full stop. I propose to undertake a series of steps in this direction to attract capital, both foreign and domestic, full stop, to generate greater employment opportunities. It is proposed to extend the benefit of deduction for employment of regular workmen, full stop. The condition of minimum 100 workmen is being reduced to 50, full stop. My next proposal is regarding minimum government and maximum governance, with focus on ease of doing business and simplification of tax procedures without compromising on tax revenues, full stop. The rich and wealth must pay more tax than the less privileged, full stop. I have therefore decided to abolish the wealth tax and replace it with an additional surcharge of 2% on the super rich with a taxable income of over 1 crore, full stop. This will enable the income tax department to focus on ensuring more tax, full stop. Madam Speaker, cleanliness of households and clean environment are very important social causes, full stop. The next aspect relates to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, full stop. I have proposed 100% deduction on this contribution, full stop. A similar tax treatment is also proposed for the Clean Ganga Fund, full stop. I also propose to increase the clean energy cess to finance clean environment projects, full stop. With these words, I thank you. That is the end of this chapter. 1000 words, very important chapters. That's all.